Pacific Swiss Manufacturing supports precision machine parts from micro miniature up to 1.25 inch, a variety of materials. We provide critical components for aerospace, medical, defense, motion control, flow control, providing a quality product on time, every time, delivered to our customers. Corporate responsibility, building long-term relationships throughout our supply chain and our customers, and creating a respectful and safe work environment. Part of the key to success has been LNS. They've supported us with bar loaders for the better part of 40 years. Technical support is a big factor that we look at when we partner with a company. The tech support guys at Cincinnati have been tremendous for the better part of that 25 to 40 year time frame. The bar loaders we have that are still running here in 2024 were ones that we had purchased back in 1998 and the year 2000 that are still performing at a very, very high level. And we continue to utilize them in our lights out production. How the employees interact with the LNS bar loaders, they like them. I mean, they like the ease of the pendants, they like the ease of the bar load changeover, they like the reliability of the lights out performance, knowing they come in the morning and they're going to have good product that's been made throughout the night. LNS has proven themselves year after year, decade after decade, with their consistent quality of product, reliability, top notch all the way. They are definitely a preferred choice for us moving forward and our future growth.